Hello, everybody. Today we are going to start with our group work, just kind of dipping our toe into the water, getting expectations set, so on and so forth. So we've got our warm up, we've got our vocabulary, and then we have our group work Nearpod. And I'll explain how that works in a moment. So first and foremost, your warm up, as always, located in your OneNote binder. Today is the 5th. It is Tuesday. Your warm up question is, how does group work help students become successful? So as always, again, pause the video here, get your warm up filled out, and I will let you know what vocab is. So now that you have your warm up completed, we're going to go ahead and move on to vocabulary. Vocabulary is located in the OneNote section of your binder today. When you go into OneNote, you will have the root section of your binder, and then all the way down at the very bottom, you'll see our new suffix, ICAL or ICL, and it'll say ICL Mind Map. So again, once you are logged in, you're going to go to the root section, which you should already be in there because of your warm-up. Your root section at the very bottom, it should say ICL Mind Map. And here's mine. Remember, we did a mind map for GRAT way back when, in the fall. And with that mind map, it's just a giant brainstorm. And in that brainstorm, you're just going to make a bunch of different connections, as many as you can, to that suffix ICAL. So I do have a bit of a typo here from where I copied from last time. We are creating a mind map of the root, or excuse me, the suffix ICAL, but I did provide an example for you. So if you look at the example I provided, bio was the root in focus. So what I did was I put bio in the center. I put bio's definition, life, and then I put a couple other things that I associate with bio when I hear it, which is jobs, science, and then the ocean. After that, in each of those subcategories, I just kind of put other things that I thought of and then tried to make connections between the different categories. So a mind map is exactly what it sounds like. It's an opportunity to let your mind wander. So you are going to put your mind map where it says mind map, and ICAL is going to go in the center. I am doing this on my computer, so it's not very neat, and I apologize. Don't make fun of me. You guys know I'm not artistic. Here we go. Okay. And then off to the side, you will create some prongs of things that come to your mind when you hear ICAL. It might be magical, mystical, some of those words that we thought of yesterday. It might be the definition, having the characteristics of, being made of, being characterized by, so on and so forth. So once you're completed with your mind map, you don't have to submit it. But after go ahead and pause here, and then I will let you know what we're doing after our mind map. So now that your mind map is completed, we are going to go to today's folder in Schoology. And then, of course, we're going to go, you're probably already here if you're seeing this video, but our learning target for today is to review the expectations of small group work. By the end of today, we're going to identify what group work looks like and sounds like. Then we're actually going to execute our small group roles during an activity. You guys might not necessarily be able to do the second piece because you weren't a part of the actual Zoom. However, there is a way around it. Your job is to complete the small group intro Nearpod, which is right here, okay? It will explain how to complete the small group activity for you. When you go into the Nearpod, and it should pop up for you, it should be embedded, you'll click in with your name. When you join the lesson, there are audio clips that I would like for you to listen to. It is me narrating it since you were not in the Zoom. So I am going to stop the video here and let you guys go through the Nearpod because again, it has those narration clips for you, please make sure you don't skip over the clips. They explain everything that you're supposed to do. You are getting points for participating in the Nearpod, so please make sure that you message me with any questions that you have so you get your credit. I will see you tomorrow.